Sam was excited. Today was his plane trip with Dad. Sam looked at all the planes. There were fat planes, skinny planes, long planes, and short planes. Sam, we need to check in our luggage, Dad said. Sam handed the lady his ticket. She let him on the plane with his dad. There were so many seats. Where was Sam supposed to sit? Would you like a drink and crackers? The stewardess asked. Sam was hungry. Wow, Daddy, look at that. Sam pointed at the tiny houses below. They were here. Sam loved the airport. Sam helped his dad put the bags in the car. Today, they were going on a trip. Buckle up, Dad said, and helped him into the seat. Mom buckled in baby Jacob. Dad started up the car. Vroom-la, vroom-la, went the engine. Glug, 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 glug. Dad fed the car gas. Mom said cars get hungry too, and they eat gasoline. Cars and trucks moved fast past his window. Tick, 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 tick went the meter. They were turning off the road. Almost there, Mom said. Sam could see lots of planes now. We're here, Dad said. Yay, the airport. Dad, he was afraid. The water was fast. His sister would tease him. Silly Billy, afraid of water. Billy headed out of the dock and crossed the lake. I will show her, he said. Up ahead was the river. There would be lots of fast water there. Bump, bump, scrape went his bottom. The water moved too fast for him. Happy, Billy saw the end of the river. He pushed hard with his motor to get there. Billy dived out of the river and into calm water. I did it, he cheered. Billy smiled proudly. He was not afraid anymore.